Hey guys, we are now at Broadcast Asia at the Zhiyun booth. So today I am also dressed with Zhiyun and we'll have actually several presentations here teaching a lot of guys like especially how to film and also how to get more professional shots with your gimbal. And also there is a new product here, so the Zhiyun EVO2, and let's go look at it. So I am here now with the Zhiyun EVO2. So this is a GoPro gimbal, and also the great thing about it is has like a quick release system, so you can quickly remove the GoPro instead of having to fiddle around with all those screws with other gimbals. And also this has like the Smooth4, the phone go mode, so if I hold it like this, we can quickly pan around, do like quick pans, and also we have the full follow. And also what has changed compared to the Smooth4, of course the grip is totally different than the Smooth4. It has, instead of the switch, we have buttons here. Also the power button is here on front, and also recharge is here on front. And yeah, quite a lot of improvement and changes. So one thing to know, this is now water resistant, so it's splash proof. It's not waterproof, so you can't swim with it. This is water resistant, so you can walk with it in the rain or have like water splashes on it. Yeah, the POV, let's show it to you guys. So we can do the POV shot, rotating the camera like this. And also we have here two extra buttons. Here on top we have the mode button, so you can actually wirelessly connect your GoPro to your phone and then use Bluetooth to connect the gimbal to your phone, and then you can connect or basically control the GoPro via this button, the mode button on top, and also use the red button on the bottom to trigger to take a photo or to start and stop recording. So that was the EVO2 from Zhiyun Tech at the Zhiyun booth at Broadcast Asia, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.